Hintay ko.
Order, Mr. Chair, wala kaming nakampi. Therefore, since wala kayong rules of evidence, the rules of evidence apply. Yes. So, if you ask, are you search person? But before that, sir, are those legitimate? And how can you say that it is legitimate? Hindi ka pa masasabi ko, sir. Dito ka naman. Did that mark exhibits? Did that mark evidence?
Sorry.
Yes, sir. But for supplementary, yes, sir. But wala kayong rules of evidence.
Ma'am, dito na kayo.
Wala pa. Therefore, the rules of court apply. Hindi pwedeng i-end. Hindi pwedeng i-end. You are not the chair. I'm talking to the chair. You allow me to talk to you. You are not the chair. The rules of court is not i-end. What pa po yung
Tuwing. Biyahe tuwing.